Okay, so today I'm working on practice strokes. We're going to be working on doing just on this black so you can really see the difference and what we're accomplishing. And I'm going to come in here with a little bit of citrus and teal, and I'm going to pull some stems. So they're for still stems, and it's going to be more like a lavender. So floating medium. All right. And then I'm going to take, let's get a 16. Okay. And I'm going to pick up the floating medium and get some little bit of teal and Prussian. This is a leftover plate. Just having fun with you, leaving extra paint on here from another project. All right. So this is going to just be like the greenery. And sometimes I like to pick out a contrasting color, like a little bit of teal, a little bit of Prussian, and we're going to have purple and lavenders. So it will be fun. Can you see that's with a 16 flat? I'm going to come over here and look at that teal. Teal's on the outside edge. And then you can come right through here. It's okay if you can kind of see through that. That doesn't bother me. But I just want you to see I can pick up a teeny bit of white and work it into the teal with that Prussian blue in the background. That's how we do rooster feathers too. Now watch me do this. All right, I'm gonna kind of make a little bit of a wiggle. Slide back down. Then you can pull the stem right in there. All right, so just get a little fancy. A little bit of fancy. All right. All right. All right. All right. So that's kind of fun. And then what we're going to do is pick up some lavenders. All right. So purple and lavender. So violet pansy and a little bit of lavender on this 12 flat. Okay. So I could come right in here and do a few little strokes. So we could use a 10 also. You don't have to use this big one. All right, and then I'm going to skip. And we're going to put a little bit of blue in here. A little bit of that with the lavender. Okay. And then we can come right in here with another one. All right, so we have a little bit going that way. And I can bring just a few in here. So let's pick up the dark blue. All right. And so if we come up here, and I'm just tapping the corner, and we can come up here too. All right, and we do one more. So now let's pick up. All right. Now look how pretty these colors are together. All right, so I'm gonna pick up some, oh pretty, with a little bit of neon. Okay, so then I'm gonna come right in here with lavender and neon, and we are right on that Prussian blue. That fun? So neon and lavender. All right. All right, so I'm gonna pick up some blue, get some neon. Let's just keep getting neon, see what this one looks like. A little bit of lavender and neon. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Okay. All right, so putting a little bit of that neon there, I can come right over here and just add a teeny bit and have a triangle, just a little bit. So I'm hoping, along with the paintings that we're doing this month, that you will be inspired paintings on our membership. I just want you to think that what I'm helping you work towards is how good do you want to get at your painting and how do you learn? I have my one stroke advantage helps you go to the next step. It's like if you're taking a course, but a very inexpensive course that you can do right in here online with me. So, how do you like that? All right. I love sharing that with you. Hope you will try it and see how much you like it. And then you can join my membership and grow, grow, grow. So work on these relaxing paints each week and the practice strokes on Fridays. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.